This is a coconut shell that the Japanese throw away, but the Thais treat it like a treasure. A man uses fake gold to light it on fire. 24 hours later, it's turned into coal. This is a coal production site in northern Thailand. The factory is making a fortune from this new waste-to-energy technology. They're making a fortune. To turn waste like coconut shells into coal is actually quite simple. The husks are dried in the sun for 5 days. First, the coconut shells are placed in an earthen kiln. Then seal the hole with mud and bricks. Ignite the coconut shells through the fire door. The air inside will char the coconut shells, eventually turning it into charcoal. The charcoal is then removed with a nail rake. It is then left to dry on the ground. The purpose of this is to dry out any moisture left in the charcoal. The whole process usually takes 3 days, until the charcoal becomes brittle. Now the coal is processed. Worker number 1 takes a basket of charcoal and pours it directly into the grinder. After 3 seconds, the charcoal turns into toner and flows down in a stream. Worker 2 then pours the toner into the mixer. Then a certain percentage of tapioca flour is added, along with a large bucket of water. The tapioca and water are added to increase the viscosity of the charcoal granules. This step is crucial and can only be accurately controlled by a master of 5 years or more. If the viscosity is too high or too low, it is necessary to go back to the oven and rebuild. If the charcoal is up to standard, worker number 2 will put it in the bin, poured directly in front of worker number 3, poured into the molding machine. The molding machine compacts the toner and then turns it into a 6-sided long strip of coal. Worker 4 has the easier job. The coals are cut into 20 cm sections according to a ruler. Then it is placed neatly. At this point, the coal is still very soft. When broken with force, it breaks to make the coal harder. Worker 5 will pull it into the steam room with the open fire baking. In just 23 hours, the coals will become black and hard. It burns more than 5 times longer than ordinary coal charcoal. Not only is it environmentally friendly and smoke-free, it's also very affordable. For a regular barbecue, no more smoky eyes. It is said that, in the future, coconut shell coal will replace traditional coal. What do you think about this?